guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just kind of wanted to film like a random day in my life, work day kind of vlog. So I had to get a new scale because my scale that I've had for it's the only scale I've had since I've been doing hair. So it's been a minute. And it just crapped out on me. Like, first the batteries died to kind of let me know, like, hey, we're not going to be working. And then the button just stuck and it is not working. So I had to get a new scale. It comes with batteries? That's cool. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I got a new scale and I'm kind of excited. Shout out to Framar. I use a lot of Framar things. I only really use Framar foil because I love their rolls. And I also love their pre-cut foil, but I use their rolls religiously. Oh my gosh. Framar also came out with an Oh My Goth line. And I'm so excited because the Halloween season is when my goth girl, emo girl, just dark girl, where she comes out to shine. And oh my god, look how beautiful this brush is. I'm so excited to use this. Oh my gosh, do I start using it now or should I wait till October? I might start using it now.
say hi.
Bye.
Hi. Hi. Do you love it?
I do. Feel like a new woman.
I really like it.
Whew. What a day. I'm just gonna get finished cleaning up here and then I'm gonna head home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I feel like it's gonna be all over the place when I edit it. And I just hope you guys like it. But yeah, thank you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.